Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 10. Flower Gathering. I strolled through the meadow just as dawn spilled gold across the hills, basket swinging, eyes chasing blooms like a child chasing sunlight. Every flower I touched seemed to hum, petals soft and colors brimming with stories. Bees zipped past, busy as shopkeepers, while clouds drifted slowly, painting shadows on the grass. I chatted with myself, naming each blossom, imagining gardens in every era where people had stopped to gather and breathe. Children ran nearby, laughing, picking tiny bouquets of their own, and I smiled, thinking how life's simplest acts, touching, holding, collecting, could stitch hearts together. By noon, my basket overflowed with lilacs, daisies and goldenrod, sweet as old letters and fresh as morning air. I paused, feeling the breeze whisper songs of distant fields and homebound paths, grateful for a world that lets us kneel, gather and carry beauty forward. Now listen to the poem. Dawn spills gold on open hills, I walk the meadow, heart it fills. Petals hum beneath my hand, stories bloom across the land. Bees buzz busy, clouds drift slow, children run, their laughter grows. Each flower picked, a quiet cheer, life stitched together, hearts draw near. Basket full, colors bright, morning air soft, sweet and light. Breeze whispers of fields afar, paths of home beneath the stars. Simple acts, gentle and kind, carry beauty, leave none behind.